Hi everyone, welcome to W1 Solutions. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the problem that Connect app in Windows 10 is not showing or not working. This is very easy to fix. Simply, if you need to install a feature, this is an optional feature. As you can see, there is no Connect app in my Windows 10 PC. Don't worry, I will fix it for you. You just need to follow the steps. Open your Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key and I together. This opens up your Windows settings. Now click on the system settings from this. After reaching this window, click on projecting to this PC from this drop-down menu. Now you can see that the window shows a message to you that you need to add a wireless feature to use this service. Click on optional feature, then click on add a feature. Basically this list shows the installed feature on your PC. So we want to install a new feature. You can click on add a feature. A new windows opens up where you can search for the features that you want to add. Click here and search for wireless display. This will appear. Click on it and install it. The Connect app is now optional from the Microsoft. This is your choice to use this or not. That's why after updating to the new version of the Windows 10, this app is not pre-installed with the Windows.
Wow, it has been installed. Now close this window and search for Connect app in the search bar down below. And you can see it appear. We open it. Now you can see that it's working. Close this window and go to that window where we installed it. System settings, projecting to this PC. Here you can see that all of the options that were disabled before installing feature are now available. You can choose different settings you want to keep, and even you can rename your PC from this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We meet in the next videos.